got boys in here. Alive and well. Sir. Hey-o.
Is that Jellyfish Rider?
The who? So, the guy was pulled up to check out the meet, supposedly. We had a bunch of hikers roll in. So now, the cops are just gonna be on high dick. Where'd they go? Oh. Where'd my bag go? Oh, back that way.
It's fucking TSR. They do that every.
And they got on my homie, bro. So that's great. We outside. What are the odds, bro?
They ran up on those bikes.
Oh yeah. And then they're on my homie's nuts too.
What about what?
I was riding this bike, I'm sure. And the plate, I don't fucking know. I don't know, but I'm gonna catch it.
This is a setup. This is a setup.
Oh yeah.
Hey yo, post this. You're like, hey, you want to do this? Set up for bikers.
How'd you get on the rock? Right behind you, brother.
Like dude.
Ah, what's up? You I'm alright. You?
Good. I'm chilling. Same old same.
No R1.
Hey, if you know anyone that wants to buy it,
Which one?
right here.
The green one?
Yeah. Let me know. Hit my line. Follow me personnel.
Put it in the group chat. I'm sure you can find it.
Instagram, bro. I be forgetting about this.
Yeah, put it in the group chat. Somebody will pick it up. What I do when I want to sell shit, I just take new pictures and then repost them like every day.
Oh, okay.
And then change up the description a little bit so they allow you to repost it. You just post it once a day, you'll sell your shit.
Cool.
It's not hard.
This shit been sitting. I'm
Oh yeah,
like,
once a day you'll sell it.
oh yeah, appreciate you, man.
Hey, where's the aid?
Get it back tomorrow.
Why? What happened? What'd you do? What
It
happened?
was shutting off. Like, the dashboard was down. So they replaced my foot sensor. Now they replaced my ignition. And, like,
What's up, Laurie?
What's up? I'm alive, baby. I'm alive.
so they said if that doesn't fix it, they'll look at my ECU.
Okay, not bad, not
But
bad.
it's a warranty, so.
Yeah, you're
Pardon.
chilling.
Hardo.
I forgot.
Thanks, baby.
I've never heard of like this. We got the early. That's how I think it's written.
Is that?
My fault.
Better watch out.
I can't run now. Junior deputy, yeah, your service over here. Got a little fucking.
Oh. What the hell?
Oh no, yeah, that was you.
God. That's a little
you got that?
absurd. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. A lot of gang shit.
Wait for you guys to take off. Oh, you guys may have figured you guys. Yeah. We have Air 5, Air 23.
I'm an innocent man. I didn't do any of it. Yeah, no. I was literally getting ready to leave and they just start walking around. I'm like, oh.
Got a new one.
Yeah. Sitting right here. Oh yeah.
What else would they do?
On a Tuesday night, man, nothing better else to do.
They got anything better to do. I get it.
they're not gonna fuck you if you go outside on your bike right now? Yeah.
This is us trying, man.
Oh yeah, yeah. We're trying real hard. Trying to be real nice, all right? So, hey sir, can I get an interview? They run up on you quickest.
Trying to get me, bro. Nah, I thought you were gonna
That's
say
why I told you. I was like, nah, bro, don't go revving, nigga. You start revving down there, I'm like, oh yeah, no. No sir.
Yeah,
Not tonight.
As long as, hey, if I see him walk back to the corner, then come back walking this way, I know he ran my shit. That's when it's time to go. But
You see all
he
this?
gotta
Hey,
go to the corner,
I think
bro.
they got a racing detail. You didn't just see all this slow roll out of that?
Oh, yeah, I know.
Don't go there.
Nah. I only live up that. I only live
Oh yeah,
up
you.
on Bell.
Yeah, you up the road.
Hey, but there's a lot behind closed doors that nobody knows.
I know Lamar, but I only know him when I see him. I don't know him like personally.
Yeah. Everybody has that image.
That concludes the vlog, you guys. Had to pop out for a little bit tonight. I will catch you in the next one.